Hello again. In the previous lecture, we have seen how to hack into WPA and WPA networks using WPS feature, the Wi-Fi protected setup. And in this lecture, I'd like to show you how to hack using a word list and handshake. So, to hack into WPA and WPA2 networks, you need two things, a word list and a handshake. The handshake, it's the 4 packets generated when any client connects to the network. The connecting process will generate this handshake. So I'm going to show you how to get the handshake. And regarding the word list, if you Google it, there is many websites will provide you with a word list. And there is built-in word list in Kali Linux, and I'm going to show you how to use it and how to find it and how to use both the handshake and word list to hack into WPA and WPA2. Let's start. We'll start by changing our adapter to monitor mode. rm1ng check kill, then rm1ng start WLAN 0, and now the name become WLAN 0 mon. Then we can write fconfig WLAN 0 mon down iwconfig WLAN 0 mode monitor. Sorry, WLAN 0 mon mode monitor, then config WLAN 0 mon out. Actually, this process is not important, but for some adapters you need to do this 3 commands after you start the monitor mode by rm1ng. So let's start our attack against WPA and WPA networks using a handshake and a word list. rm1ng WLAN 0 mon. Okay, here we go. So I'm planning to attack this network as usual. My network, it's WPA2 and working under channel 11. So I'll press Ctrl C. First of all, to get the handshake, either I have to wait for someone to come and connect, then I'll get the handshake, or I need to do a deauthentication attack as we have seen previously. First of all, let's do rm1ng for this network. Channel 11, and let's write the output to a file called handshake. Okay, so we'll use the authentication attack with rplay-ng just to force one of the connected users to be disconnected and reconnect again to get the handshake. So deauth here, then A for the DSS ID, this one. I will not stop it because I'm writing that to a file, so I'm gonna write it here, 6B A6 8E FC, and one of the stations, let's say this one, 70 28 8B 0A 33 and 32, and then my interface. Sorry, I have missed here the packets to be sent. Let's say I want to send just 5 packets. Enter. So this user will be just disconnected and reconnected, and here is the handshake. So I'm gonna press Ctrl C here. Here is the handshake. So this is the first step of cracking the WPA and WPA2 networks let me show you the word list. As I have said before, you can get the word list from the internet. Many websites provide that, or there is built-in word list called Rockio in Kali Linux. Let me show you its place. Just go to the file system, under USR, share, word list, word list, this one, word lists, Rockio. It will come as compressed. Just you need to right click, extract here, then you will get a text file. I'll copy this. Sorry, under root. Let me copy this under root here. Okay, so if I go now to this page and press LS to list everything, so I'll see the handshake, which I already got it, and the Rockio word list. So what I have to do here, let me clear the screen and collapse this. I need to use aircrack-ng as we learned before. Then we have to specify the name of the file which contains the handshake.cap, and -w to specify the word list. So this is pre-prepared word list. This is the command aircrack-ng. We have used this before to crack the WEP network. We will specify the handshake file, and -w to specify the word list which we want to use, then enter. And here it's telling it needs 1 hour and 32 minutes to get the password. Yes, it's not easy to crack the WPA and WPA2 networks, just you need a good word list.